Now this is a problem that is based on ages. So let us learn how to solve them. Now 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu, right? So this condition that they have given you is 5 years ago. So first let us assume, let the present age of Noori be X years. In the same way, let the present age of Sonu be Y years. Okay. Now, as per the condition, 5 years ago. So 5 years ago. So obviously, 5 years ago means before 5 years. Obviously, the ages will be less by 5. So Noori's age will be X minus 5 years, and Sonu's age will be Y minus 5 years. Y minus 5 years. So according to the condition, so let us see what is the condition that they have given. According to your question, you can say that Noori's age was thrice as old as Sonu. So if you find it difficult to write down the equation in the first step, you can just write it in the word form. So here I can write down Noori's age when 5 years ago is equal to thrice as old as Sonu. So it is thrice as old as Sonu's age. So what is Noori's age 5 years ago? So Noori's age 5 years ago is X minus 5. So X minus 5 is equal to thrice Sonu's age. So what was Sonu's age? It was Y minus 5, right? So now when you solve this equation further, you can simplify it, and then it becomes X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. So this becomes X minus 3y is equal to this 5 will go on that side, and it becomes minus 10. So this is your first equation that you are going to solve. Now let us move on to the next equation. Now here 10 years later. So first what we are going to do, we are going to find out what will be their age after 10 years. So after 10 years. So after 10 years, obviously their present age, if it is X, so after 10 years, Noori's age will be X plus 10, okay, and Sonu's age will be Y plus 10. So according to the condition, so what is the question telling you? That is after 10 years, if you see after 10 years, Noori's age will be twice. So here you can see the word twice as old as Sonu. So that means the relation between their ages after 10 years is Noori's age is equal to twice as old as Sonu's age, right? But the comparison between the ages is after 10 years. So Noori's age after 10 years is what? X plus 10, and Sonu's age is Y plus 10. So this gives you X plus 10 is equal to 2Y plus 20. So when you solve this equation, so X minus 2Y is equal to this 10 will go on that side. So what are you going to get? You're going to get 10, right? So you'll be getting X minus 2Y is equal to 10. So this is your second equation. Now if you observe the first and the second equation, but you can solve it by any of the three methods. So now here you can see in X, here X and X, both the cases, the coefficient is 1. So what you are going to do, we will just subtract the equation. So I'll just write down the first equation again, that is X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. So I'll write down here X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. That is the first equation again. And we will carry out subtraction. So this becomes minus, this becomes plus, this again becomes plus. So when you solve it, this and this will get cancelled. So this becomes minus 2y plus 3y is y, 10 plus 10 is 20. So our value of y is 20. So when you substitute y is equal to 20 in any of the equation, let me substitute it in say the first equation. So x minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. So what do you get? 3 2s are 6, that is 60 minus 10. So x, so when this minus 60 goes on the other side, you get minus 10 plus 60. So x is equal to 50. So when you get the final answer, what is the conclusion? The conclusion will be, so therefore, Noori's age that you had assumed it was X. So Noori's age, so we have to find out the present age. So the answer will be Noori's present age will be equals to 50 years. Don't forget to write down the unit years. And Sonu's present age is equal to 20 years. 20 years. Now in this sum, Aftab tells his daughter that 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay, so first we are going to assume, let Aftab's present age. So let Aftab's present age be X years, and he's talking to his daughter. So let daughter's present age be y years. So if you are talking about 7 years ago, so first condition is 7 years ago. So what are the ages? What will be the age before 7 years? So 7 years ago, Aftab's age will be x minus 7, right? X minus 7 years. And similarly, his daughter's age will also be less than 7. So daughter's age 7 years ago will be y minus 7 years. Okay, what is the condition? According to the condition, according to the question that they have given you, right, you can say that Aftab says, I was 7 times as old as you were then. That means if you compare the ages of Aftab and his daughter 7 years before, so Aftab says that Aftab's age was 7 times his daughter's age. So that means x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. That means here I'll just write it in this first in terms of his daughter's age. So 7 times his daughter's age then. Then means the age of the daughter before 7 years, right? So Aftab's age is x minus 7 and his daughter's age was y minus 7. So if you just solve this, x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y is 7y minus 49. So once you simplify this, so this y will come this side, so you will get x minus 7y is equal to minus 7 goes on the other side, so you will be having minus 49 plus 7. So your equation becomes x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. So this is your first equation. Now let us move on to the second equation. Now also 3 years from now means after 3 years. So first thing what we are going to do, we are going to write down their ages after 3 years. So after 3 years, so obviously the age will be increased by 3 years. So Aftab's age will be x plus 3 years and his daughter's age will be y plus 3 years, right? So now what is the condition? So according to the condition, you can see that I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. You will be means her age is also about after 3 years is what we are comparing with. So I will be means Aftab's age after 3 years will be equals to 3 years of his daughter's age, that will be after 3 years. So Aftab's age is x plus 3 and daughter's age will be y plus 3. So if you just simplify this further, so this gives you x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. So let me just simplify it. So this 3y will come on this side, so you get negative. This plus 3 will go on the other side, so you'll get 9 minus 3. So you're having x minus 3y is equal to 6. So this is your second equation. So you can see we have already got both the equations. Now the first equation is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. So I'll just write down this second equation here again. That is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. So here you can see the sign of both the x terms is positive. So you're going to subtract. This becomes negative, positive, and this again the sign will change. So this and this will get cancelled. So minus 3y plus 7y gives you 4y is equal to 42 plus 6 gives you 48. So your y is equal to 48 upon 4. So y is equal to 12. So this is the value of y. Now if you want to get the x value, so again substitute y is equal to 12 in say equation number 2. So you get x minus 3y. Y is what? 12 is equal to 6. So x minus 36 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 plus 36, which gives you 42. So your x is equal to 42. So if you just conclude, so what is your conclusion statement? The conclusion statement will be, therefore, Aftab's present age will be is 42 years. Aftab's present age is 42 years and his daughter's present age is 12 years. Please don't forget to mention this unit years. 2 years ago, Salim was thrice as old as his daughter, right? And 6 years later, he will be 4 years older than twice her age. How old are they now? Means they have asked you the present age. So first you will assume, let Salim's present age be x years. So then let his daughter's present age, because there are two people. So Salim's present age is x years and daughter's present age be y years. Okay. Now we will see the first condition. Now 2 years ago, So 2 years ago. Now, if you're talking about 2 years ago, so obviously their ages will be less than 2, right? So Salim's age 2 years ago will be how much? It will be x minus 2 years. And daughter's age will be also less than 2. So daughter's age will be y minus 2 years. Now, according to the condition, 2 years ago, Salim was thrice as old as his daughter. So, if you talk about the first condition, according to the first condition, what can you say? That is, Salim's age was thrice as old as his daughter's. So, Salim's age was how much? It was x minus 2 is equal to 3 into what was the daughter's age? It was y minus 2. So now we'll simplify this further and get our first equation. Okay, so this will become x minus 2 is equal to 3y minus 6. You'll bring 3y over this side, so it becomes x minus 3y. We'll take this 2 on the other side, so it is minus 6 plus 2. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. So this is the first equation. Okay, now let us see what is the next condition. The next condition tells you that 6 years later. So first we will write down what are their ages, what will be their ages after 6 years. So 6 years later means after 6 years. So any age based sum has to be divided into these subheadings. So after 6 years, Salim's age will be how much? It will be plus 6. So it will be x is his present age and you are going to add 6 into it. So x plus 6 years. And his daughter's age will be also increased by 6. So daughter's age will be is y, present age is y, so you're going to add 6 into it. So y plus 6 years is the daughter's age. Now let us read what is the second condition. So according to the second condition, the second condition tells you that 6 years later, he will be 4 years older than twice her age. That means Salim's age will be after 6 years. What is his age after 6 years? It will be 4 more, means you are going to add 4. Okay, and 4 more than twice his daughter's age. So 4 more than twice the daughter's age. So Salim's age after 6 years is x plus 6 is equal to twice. Daughter's age will be y plus 6 and it is 4 more. So it is plus 4. So let us solve this equation. 2y plus 6 2 is 12 plus 4. So it is x plus 6 is equal to 2y plus 12 plus 4, that is 16. So this 2y will come this side, you get x minus 2y is equal to 6 will go on that side, you get 10. So the second equation that you get is x minus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, so now we will be solving both the equations by the elimination method. So this is your second equation. So you write down the first equation again over here. So the first equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 4, right? So x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. This is the first equation. Now you can see the coefficient of the coefficient of x is 1 and the signs are the same. So you're going to do subtraction. So the signs will change. So this and this will get cancelled. So plus 3y minus 2y gives you 1y is equal to 10 plus 4 is 14. So the value of y that you are getting is 14. So to get the value of x, you will be substituting y. So substitute y is equal to 14 in say equation number 1. So what do you get? X minus 3, y is 14 is equal to minus 4. X minus 14 3's is 42 is equal to minus 4. So you will take 42 on the other side, right? So what do you get? X is equal to 42 minus 4. So x is equal to 38. Okay, so here the value of x that you got is 38 and the value of y that you got is 14. So what do you conclude? So you conclude that therefore Salim's present age, because they have asked you what are the ages now. So Salim's present age, which was x years, so x is 38, so it is 38 years. And daughter's present age, so daughter's present age we had assumed as y, so daughter's present age, that is y, so that is 14 years.